All right, what's up, guys? We're here in Lubbock, Texas for the practice session today. We're bowling on 43 feet, I believe, 43, 44 feet of oil. So hopefully, let's get real. Hopefully my purple hammer's still hooking. Hopefully I got a chance, but yeah, let's get to the bowling center and I'll see you guys at the practice session. It's the left side of the pocket kind of weak, I'm telling you.
What is he talking about?
Had some success here.
Yeah, I like it here.
What are you thinking, like a first place finish this week?
They start with making a cut, and then,
okay. We should start there.
Yeah.
Do chamois?
Pushing product.
Pushing product.
Pushing pace, as they like to say. And where can they find this jersey, EJ?
I don't know. Maybe High Five.
Hopefully.
I don't know if they got it on the website or not, but
you can ask them, they'll have the design.
oh yeah, I mean Alyssa's got it. She made it.
Then they better get it. Let's see a strike. Let's see a strike out of you.
Got it.
Is that a guarantee?
Guaranteed miss? Yeah.
Okay. Guarantee. You got it.
You and your damn camera. Here we go.
Big time messenger. They're ready. Percentage. So Darren, how's the practice session treating you, Darren?
It was great until you showed up. I'm just kidding.
One miss?
I aced that one.
One miss? And it
miss.
wiggled?
One miss.
You're blaming that on me? Well, but what are the balls of choice?
Probably pitch black.
No urethane?
Yeah, I want to get on top of them. Same thing.
Yeah, we're fast pitch now? Too much?
I didn't bring one. I'd have to
Too much
go.
hook?
I don't even know if we have any on the truck.
There's a shortage in America of urethane balls.
Okay, let me go get my urethane ball.
Yeah, show us what you got there, big dog. Now we're ready.
I don't know how good it's going to look now, but we'll find out.
9. He's getting 9.
He's getting 10.
That's got to be a high flush 9.
The brakes come and go.
And on the left side, they're always there. Never forget.
Yeah.
He's getting 10.
I haven't seen him not get 10 in a while.
I think it's 10 for sure.
And what?
8 baggers, man. That's how you throw.
That was like 8-3.
Too late in the block.
go-to ball from there?
I don't have go-to balls.
And that's exactly what I do with my purple hammer. If it stops working, I just give up. I don't switch to other balls. I just keep throwing it until it really doesn't work, and then I'm at the bottom of the leaderboard.
It's a guess. I think it's a good guess. It's definitely a good guess.
It's a great guess.
Very calculated.
Title defense here.
Yeah, we're just gonna keep it at that. We're gonna try to title defend.
Keep it on the DL.
Yeah. We're just, nobody knows. Nobody knows
How's
nothing.
it fit? Is this your first time? This is the first time we've been back.
First time we've been back. Yeah.
This was the first title.
Yep. No, it's the second title.
Where was the other one?
Chameleon World Series,
And we didn't bowl on it.
and we didn't bowl on it.
This is the first title defense. How we feel about that?
Well, you know, I'm just
A
gonna.
little nervous here? A little nervous on the title defense?
Yeah, I think I'm feeling it,
Really?
even during practice.
Really?
No.
Like,
I'm calm.
we're practicing.
I'm calm. I actually feel good.
I mean, you bowled in this house probably a million times.
Yeah, I bowled here a lot before it was even
before it was a PBA.
PBA stopped.
Yeah.
So
Comfortable with the lanes?
most of the time, I don't want to jinx myself, but most of the time my ball roll does pretty good here, regardless of what they put out. Now, like I said, I have bowled bad here, so I don't want to jinx myself.
Listen, we've all bowled bad places.
Yeah.
We've all bowled bad.
But in a good house, and somewhere you like to bowl,
I bowled bad at some of my favorite houses.
that's what I'm saying.
You go there enough, there's bound to be a time that you
Gotta
just
be a
don't
time.
hit it.
Yeah.
All right, well, good luck.
Thank you, man. Come on.
Some 210 combinations. So I know what to expect if I come to this pair.
A lot of 210s. Got the 10 out?
Bad shot, but I did get the 210 out.
Yeah.
What do you think, another 210?
Nah, he's gonna fall.
He's getting big 4? Okay. Tell him.
Come on, Ref.
All right, I haven't shown you guys any of my shots yet because you know exactly what's about to go down, and that is me throwing a purple hammer from like 10 to 3, as I always do. So, so that my practice session was over quickly, but I'll show you guys some shots here. I'll throw a couple more. Can I see you throw the pinky hole ball?
Yeah.
I just can't believe it. So why did you do that, Tom?
So I can put my pinky in the hole.
For better grip?
Yeah.
Better grip applications?
I can throw it more like Tommy Jones.
Oh, okay. Let me see that. Listen. So what is the reason for the pinky hole?
So I can spin it more.
Get a little more rotation on that thing?
Get a little more rotation
Okay.
without more revolutions.
Okay, okay.
If it fit, then I would get more revolutions.
And we don't want that.
We don't want that.
Same revolutions, more spin.
Correct.
Let's see that spin in action. Oh, that's it right there. And that's why we throw urethane.
That's right.
Why the switch this week to reactive?
Well, first of all, it's practice day. We never know what we got.
So we're
tomorrow.
throwing urethane tomorrow. I got it.
We'll see. We'll see.
Maybe.
Just testing the waters a little bit.
Testing the waters. What's your favorite? If you had, I never see you throw them. So what are your top 3 reactive balls right now?
Right now, as we speak, it's Nova, Darkcode, and Ultra Reality.
And will we be bringing those balls out from the paddock to the range?
Yes.
All right. That's all I need to hear. Easy. We throw urethane to challenge ourselves, isn't that right? Reactive the whole
Shoots
time.
reactive balls the whole time. My urethane ball went runaway Brooklyn, moved 4, missed a headpin right in the bag, never touching it till Colorado.
That's a little different than my practice plan. My practice plan, I haven't touched a reactive ball yet.
You know, I'm trying to do something different than everybody else this week. You know, I want to be known to not only throw reactive and urethane, but can win with both.
Tommy Jones told me I am who I am and that I should be that guy after a year of not trying to be that guy, and I've only thrown urethane all year.
And you're crushing it this year, and I'm not. So I need to change it up because I've thrown urethane
So go get
basically
your
all year.
urethane balls.
No, I actually drilled the ball, and I probably drilled one by mistake because I don't think I'm going to throw it. But you know, tomorrow
I'm gonna try some reactive balls just
I'm
for
gonna
you.
beat you tomorrow with reactive, and then we're gonna do this lodge again, and you're gonna say that you should have thrown reactive.
I hope not, but I'm gonna go try some reactive balls now in practice.
I think this week in Lubbock, I will be repping team spares, and then everyone else will be doing the head bagger team. So catch me out there in the leaderboards.
Catch Nick closing frames in Lubbock
205 average.
with 0 missed makeable. Nick left like 800 spares in a row, started talking about how he's going to be on team spare, and now all of a sudden, the second he starts talking about it, he starts striking. So tomorrow, during the 10 minutes, he's going to talk about his spare game the whole time.
Just gonna make a little adjustment. Front 3, 8 miss, 8 spare, 250 still out there.
And that's only a 7 bagger, so that puts you back on team spare. You have to wait till I'm done. You tell them thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching the vlog. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and we're gonna have a great time here in Lubbock. Peace.